Picture a future where energy wastage is a thing of the past. By 2030, that future will be a reality in developed nations thanks to the widespread integration of smart grids. Imagine a world where energy flows in both directions. Homes and businesses will feed surplus electricity back into the system, ensuring not a single watt goes to waste. Envision a power network that's adaptable to the unpredictable output from renewable sources like solar and wind. This adaptability will make large-scale use of renewables not just possible, but practical. And consider a world where blackouts are few and far between. Sensors in a smart grid will instantly locate and isolate damaged transmission lines, rerouting electricity to maintain a steady flow of power. As the years roll on, expect to see smart grids on an even grander scale. Entire regions, even countries, will begin merging their grids together. Welcome to the energy-efficient future of smart grids.